Hello guys, welcome to today's video with JJ Tech. Today we'll be reviewing this law firm website. Now, the very good thing about this law firm website that it is free, it is easy to upload, and it is straight to the point. So you can just get this. I will tell you how to get this by the end of this video. So it's a free script. So first of all, we are going to be reviewing the home page of this website. So we go from the hero section down to the about us. So this is the sample legal team. That's what it is based on. It's a sample website. So all the pictures that I see is just for sample sake. So we'll go straight up, we'll go up. This just scroll. So these are different kind of law that this script was designed to offer. So you can actually change it and edit. Like I said, I break down my stuff into like three different processes: upload, set up database, and the third one is edit. So this is where the edit falls, and you can edit these words and so on and so forth. So this script is a very free script. So you go to why choose us, then we scroll. We go to the team part. So the team part also scrolls to the other side. Also there's a full page for that also. Then you see the part for the testimonials. You scroll, and the footer part also. So this is very let's also review the contact page, because this is mostly about the about us practice. Then you go straight to the contact page. You see what we have here, which is the name, the subject, the message. So what you just have to do is to actually upload your script and just unzip it. So it is straight up to use. Every other thing you have to edit is inside the code. So for now we'll go straight into how to actually use the script. So but first of all, the quick verse. Let me introduce you guys to quick verse Iron Shield. So this is quick verse Iron Shield, where you can get your hostings from reliable hostings. You can get your cPanels, you can get your domains here. So as you can see, it is very active, and also the support is very active. So I highly recommend quick verse. We'll go straight into the video. So we have quickly reviewed what we want to do on our law firm. So we can actually also create like a folder for this also. Say let's make it law and sample of him. Let me sample of him. So this is for beginners, that maybe if I'm saying all you have to do is to unzip and you don't really understand. So this is it. This law for sample of him folder now will be acting as my own public HTML. So your own public HTML is maybe you got the stuff for only that particular project. So your public HTML will be your public HTML. But for me, I have a lot of projects here. So this one is handling, just acting as my public HTML right now. So I click back, and here I unzip this, extract this. This is what I mean by extract. So if you want to see how to integrate, all this I'm saying now is for actually beginners that are trying to come into scripting. If you want to learn how to integrate these things like smart up and so on, you can watch my other videos. So right now we upload, we unzip, and we are taking this into our public HTML. So I'm removing from the folder and taking to our public HTML. So you come here and click on, let's clear this and click on sample law firm. We get this. I guess we are good. So this is just a simple setup. So you can get the download link down on this on my description. You can get it on my description. Yes. Thank you for watching. Do like, share, and subscribe. This video is strictly for educational purpose. Thank you very much.